Want to empty the Google Drive trash? Permanently deleting files from the trash can help free up your storage and remove files you no longer need. Keep in mind that once the trash is emptied, those files can't normally be recovered. In this guide, I'll show you how to empty the Google Drive trash step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. You'll need to use the account that contains the files you want to permanently delete. Next, look at the navigation panel on the left side of the page and click Trash. This folder contains all of the files and folders you've deleted but haven't permanently removed yet. Before emptying the trash, quickly review the files it contains. I mean, if you accidentally deleted something important, now is the time to restore it before it's permanently removed. Once you're sure you no longer need the files, click Empty Trash or Empty Bin, depending on your version of Google Drive. Then confirm the action when prompted. Yeah, Google Drive will permanently delete all items currently in the trash. Finally, check that the trash folder is now empty. Your Google Drive storage will automatically update after the deleted files are processed, although the available storage may not refresh immediately. And that's how to empty the Google Drive trash. Permanently deleting unwanted files helps keep your cloud storage organized and can free up space for new files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.